Aboitiz Equity Ventures with stock ticker AEV is a leading Philippine conglomerate and publicly listed holding company with a techglomerate strategy, investing in power, banking, food infrastructure, land, and AI. Founded in 1989, it operates subsidiaries like Aboitiz Power and manages a diversified portfolio focusing on sustainability and innovation. The company has a market capitalization of around 160 billion pesos and employs 15,000 people. Its core business segments include power via Aboitiz Power, the largest contributor to earnings of the company, banking through Union Bank, a fast-growing digital banking player, food and beverage, which includes flour, feeds, and Coca-Cola bottling exposure, infrastructure through airports, economic estates, and telecom towers, and real estate and data science. Aboitiz Equity Ventures is investing 88.5 billion pesos in 2026 capital expenditure to drive growth across its portfolio, with 62 billion pesos dedicated to expanding Aboitiz Power's renewable energy and battery storage, and 8.8 billion for infrastructure including towers and airports. Today we're going to break down its business model, its financial performance, its dividend profile, and ultimately whether this stock deserves a place in your portfolio. AAV is not just one company. It's a holding company with investments in multiple industries. This diversification is essential. AAV is essentially a mini economy. It captures growth across various sectors of the Philippine economy. And here's the strategic shift that investors often miss. AAV is aggressively repositioning itself into a conglomerate, investing in data science and artificial intelligence to optimize operations across all its business units. Let's break down the numbers over the past 3 years. In 2023, the revenue is 310 billion, in 2024 is 302 billion, and 2025 313 billion. The net income in 2023 is 23.5 billion, 18.1 in 2024 and 18.3 in 2025. At a glance, this looks unimpressive. Revenue is flat, income is declining. But here's where intelligent investors go deeper. Number one, the 2024 profit drop is misleading. Net income dropped 23% in 2024, but this was largely due to 7.4 billion in one-time impairment loss. If you remove these non-recurring items, core net income actually grew 15%. This is critical because it tells us the business is fundamentally improving even if reported earnings suggested decline. Segment strength is real. The power still contributes 59% of the earnings. Banking and food are rapidly growing contributors. Particularly notable are food and beverage income grew in 2024 by 4 times. Union Bank posted growth in lending and margins. This signals successful business. Third, the revenue is stable. Even in volatile environment, revenue stayed above 300 billion in 3 years straight. That's a mark of defensive conglomerate. Now let's talk about dividend yield. AEV's yield has doubled in recent years, and here are the reasons. Stock price weakness and stable dividend payments. This creates an opportunity for income investors. Second, there is a sustainable payout. The payout ratio of the company is 51%. That's a healthy middle ground, not too high and not too low. Number three, moderate growth profile. The 5-year dividend growth of the company is 3.6% annually. This is not a high growth dividend stock. It is a stable income plus moderate growth play. And number four, average yield versus history. Historical average yield is 2.4% and current yield is 5 to 6%. That suggests the stock may be undervalued relative to its historical income profile. So why consider AEV? The first reason is diversified conglomerate advantage. You're not betting on one sector, you're buying exposure to energy, banking, consumer goods, and infrastructure. The second reason is hidden earnings growth. Core earnings are growing despite headline declines. This is where mispricing happens. The third reason is strong macro tailwinds. AEV benefits from rising Philippine power demand, banking expansion, infrastructure development. And number four, there's an attractive dividend yield. A 5% yield with sustainable payout is compelling in today's market. But here are the risks. The conglomerate complexity can hide inefficiencies, exposure to cyclical sectors like cement and infrastructure, and execution risk in its technoglomerate transformation. Aboitiz Equity Ventures is not a hype stock. It's not flashy, but it is stable, diversified, and quietly evolving. And right now, the market may be focusing too much on headline earnings declines while ignoring core growth and long-term transformation. That disconnect is where long-term investors win. The stock has a PE ratio of 8.61, which is 20 to 30% below its 10-year median, suggesting the stock is undervalued on an earnings basis. If you want more deep dive stock analysis like this, focused on real fundamentals, not hype, make sure to like this video, subscribe for more investor breakdowns, and comment below, is Aboitiz Equity Ventures a buy for you right now, or are you waiting for a better entry? Because the best investments are not obvious, they are understood.